You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 88. Creating report for time to first response of incident. Now let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. As you can see, I am logged in using my primary account and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on top right corner and then click on Jira Service Management. 4 blocks which shows switch sites or application. Click on these 4 blocks and click on Jira Site Management, Jira Service Management. Click on NetSoft IT Service Management and then we'll click on reports. We'll click on create new report and we are going to name it as first response for incident. Click on add series. We are going to select from the filter. Just click on this drop down. Time to first response average. We'll give the name as first response average. We'll select one color, any color that you want. Select basic and click on add. This is the first response time. Click on create and click on reports in the left panel. Now if you scroll down, you have the report created, which is first. Let's refresh it. If it is not there, let's refresh. Yeah, it is over here. First response for incident. Now let's move ahead and perform another lab. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.